This is a remote proceeding, and I am sitting outside of Montgomery County, Texas, pursuant to the Texas Family Code, Section 201.1045. And I find nobody has objected to proceeding this way.
Objection, Judge.
Okay, one moment, sir. Ms. Baskins, can you please state your full name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. It's Adrian Baskins.
Okay. And sir, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Yeah, I'm Zahir Dean, the living man.
Okay. And Mr. Dean and Ms. Baskins, can you both please raise your right hands to be sworn in? Do you each solemnly swear that any testimony that you'll give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
I do.
Okay. Is everyone ready to proceed today?
Yes, Judge Julie Kahn for the Office of the Attorney General.
Before we begin, a few
sorry.
housekeeping items. The first is I am an associate judge, and you do have the right to a de novo hearing before the referring court regarding decisions I make. And then lastly, you just know I'm not with the Attorney General's office. And so things you've discussed with them in the back or spoken to them about, they're not allowed to tell me about that, and they don't. So you're likely to be asked questions that you've answered already today or other days. All I know about your case is the pleading on file, and then I believe you were before me once before. So I vaguely remember that, but do keep in mind I have multiple hearings practically every day. And so not all details stick in my head from day to day. That being said, Mr. Dean, you wanted to say something?
Yes, thank you, Judge. Judge, I'd like to say I'm here on special appearance. But first, we were here last time, and I was really sick and I wasn't able to speak. So I appreciate you giving me the time to recover and come back here today.
Better.
So I'm here on special appearance, Judge, and I am looking for a dismissal of this case due to due process violations. I was not given proper notice. And in the notice, I wasn't given clear statement of the proposed actions. I wasn't given the specific reasons or grounds for the proposed actions, including a description of the facts and evidence upon which the actions based off of today. I wasn't given sufficient detail so I can understand what is at stake and what I need to contest or respond to. And I wasn't given information about how to access the procedures for responding or contesting the actions, including contact details. So because of this, I'm requesting a dismissal of the case, Your Honor.
And just for clarification, sir, have you filed anything requesting this relief?
No, because I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Like, I don't have any information. Was not noticed given the proper notice, and because of that, there's no way for me to proceed.
Yeah, I offered to email them to him this morning. He was served back on June 10th by side posting, and so on his door. He was served.
Objection. Is there evidence to prove that, Your Honor?
So I'm looking for the service return right now.
I have it pulled up. I can share the screen if I need to.
Okay. You might as well, so he can see it. I have it pulled up as well right now, though. It's a different device.
So it says on June 10th, 2025, it was posting the citation to the front main entry door per Texas Rule 106.
And I do take judicial notice of that executed service return.
Oops. Okay, so that was just the preset, but this is also the motion to confirm and the motion for substituted service was all served on him.
Oh yeah, it's multiple, but yeah, the 3 pages in that service return.
If I've got an objection on that, Your Honor, it says it's been posted on my front door.
At the front main entry door is what it says.
Yeah.
Yes.
I did not receive that, Your Honor.
Okay.
I've got an objection to that.
And hold on one moment.
I believe he also signed the reset last time we were here.
Yes, I do believe you've made an appearance in the case. So, sir, you're claiming right now that you don't have a copy of the pleading. Is that true?
So I've got an objection to that as well, Judge. So when we were here before, I did have a means to communicate with the clerk prior. However, during the Zoom, when we were speaking to you, I did not have a means to communicate in terms of chat for me to object to that. But now I'm able to speak. I agree on a reset to come back to figure out what's going on here. But my objection still is for due process not having the sufficient amount of information.
Judge,
Not-
I can. I apologize.
That's okay. Please talk.
I'm willing to take a short reset. I can email him the pleadings. I've offered to do that before, and if he needs a chance to look them over.
Yeah, and I've got an objection to that, Your Honor. Due to the due process violation, I'm requesting a dismissal.
Okay, sir, this is not a well, I'm finding it's not a due process violation. You are here, people are allowed to make appearances before the court. You've made an appearance before the court multiple times now. I'm not dismissing this lawsuit. It's a matter of making sure you do have proper notice to proceed, though, and fairness. And so I do want you to receive a copy of the pleading so we can proceed. I do believe last time, Ms. Khan, because I thought this case involved a modification and confirmation. I believe last time Ms. Khan, correct me if I'm wrong, I think it was this case, corrected me and said this was just a confirmation of arrears. We're just confirming arrears in this case.
That is correct, Judge.
Doesn't make it any less important. There may be all sorts, there might be, I don't know, there could be possession credit issues, there could be direct payment issues, could be all sorts of things. And I want you to have your day in court in fairness. But I am denying the request to dismiss this action. I don't find it's been a due process violation. Have you provided Ms. Khan information, a way to send you a copy of the pleading so you can review it?
Your Honor, so I've got an objection on the appearance as well. I'm not here, or nor have I ever been here on general appearance. I've always represented myself under special appearance.
I don't know what that means, sir. Are you not a person?
I am the living man.
What does that mean?
I am a man.
You are a man, I'm a woman, but I'm here. You're here.
I'm here as a living man representing my person, myself.
Under what legal basis are you doing that?
Under constitutional law.
I'm finding you're here and you're making an appearance, sir. I don't know what law you're referring to. If you'd like to cite a specific statute or a specific part of the Constitution, I am open to reading it. But my understanding of the law is you're here, and there's no legal representation of yourself in that form. So I would like you to receive a copy of the pleading. I'd like you to review it. If you need additional time, I'm even open to resetting this to the December 11th date, although I'd rather not. But in fairness to you, if that needs to happen, I will give you a little more time.
That would need to happen, Your Honor.
Okay, but I want you to receive a copy of this pleading so we don't have the same discussion next time.
I've sent it. Can you check your email and make sure you have received it?
I'm checking now.
Okay, thank you.
Received it. I don't know if you heard me, but I'm sorry. I said I received it.
Okay, thank you. So you did receive it?
I
just
did.
to confirm.
I did via email.
Okay, do you want to review it now or do you want some time to review it before we proceed?
It's a pretty long document. Yes, very long document. I'll definitely need time to review.
Okay, and just so you know, despite the length of the document, we will be proceeding to final trial on December 11th, 2025. No more resets. I expect everyone to be prepared. I think I told you all this last time, but be ready to proceed next time with I did say this last time, with any witnesses or any documents in electronic form. Be ready to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is reset for December 11th, 2025 at 9 a.m. on Zoom, the same Zoom code information.
All right, I will send out a reset. Just give me about 5-10 minutes and I'll send it to your same email.
Okay.
Thank you.
If y'all want to go back to the breakout rooms and make sure I get the resets to you.
I'm okay with the verbal reset. I'm not going to sign any documentation.
Okay, I'm just letting you know, I'm going to put in Odyssey that you have been noticed of today's setting, and if you do not appear next time, we'll proceed with or without you, sir.
That's fine, Judge.
All right, well, I guess Ms. Baskins, you're free to go. I will send you the reset. Just check your email in about 5-10 minutes for me if you can.
Thank you.
And we can stop the recording. Uniform Interstate Family Support Act petition filed by the Attorney General's office December 13th, 2024. Before I continue, Mr. Lambert, are you in a place you can stop moving and pay attention?
I'm Brian Husteller with the Counsel for the Attorney General.
Okay, and just to confirm, this is a contested hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the DNA results back?
Your Honor, Mr. Lambert did not have, was not able to participate in DNA, but we are going to provide testimony at the court today.
So I should read my whole spiel in the beginning, if it's not wasting everyone's time?
Yes.
Okay, I am an associate judge, and so you do have the right to a de novo hearing before the referring court regarding any decisions I make. You may proceed, Mr. Hustetler.
Your Honor, may I call my first witness?
You may do so.
I call Miss Lashandra Hewitt.
Actually, can you summarize where we're going with this so I kind of can follow along better?
Your Honor, we are going to establish that Mr. Lambert is the father of all 3 children before the court. We are going to discuss what's been agreed upon in child support, and the largest disagreement is over the possession and access.
Okay, so there's an agreement on paternity now.
Yes.
Okay, you may proceed then. Thank you.
But I'll go through the steps to establish, if you don't mind.
I thought it was an issue because
No, that's not an issue.
You clarify when I asked the first time. Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Ms. Lashandra Hewitt, can you please state your full name for the record?
Lashandra Hewitt,
What state do you live in?
North Carolina.
Okay. And what state do the children live in?
North Carolina.
Can you please name the 3 children before the court?
Dante Lambert III, Tyden Lambert, and Kaiden Lambert.
Okay. And they live with you, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And who is the biological father of the children?
Dante Lambert Jr.
Okay.
Do we need all this testimony if everyone agrees? Mr. Hustetler, I'm just trying to streamline things. We have a lot of hearings
Okay,
today.
that's fine.
We're still hearing cases from the 9 o'clock docket. So. And
do
only
you
you know. I don't know the answer to that question. We might need all this. I don't know.
There is no disagreement, Your Honor.
Okay.
So you're in agreement that Mr. Lambert is the father of all 3 children?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. Have you and Mr. Lambert ever lived together since the children were born?
No.
Okay. How and what has the visitation between the 3 children and Mr. Lambert been since they were born? How often and where?
Okay. Since they were born, they went with him when they were about 4 years old for the summer. And then after that, they recently went last year for about a month. They went to Texas, excuse me. They went to Houston, Texas, where he lives, suburb. But other than that, he hasn't really made an effort to see them.
Okay. Does he have any electronic communication with them?
He has access to their phones, which enables FaceTime, text messages, because I'm struggling. I ain't been able to pay the bill, but with Apple, you can still text and do FaceTime, but he doesn't contact them.
Okay. Are you requesting monthly child support?
Correct.
Do you know if Mr. Lambert is working?
He owns 2 businesses.
Do you know what he is making?
He's a fleet diesel mechanic, and he's also a junk hauler, so I would estimate monthly of between 4,000 and 5,000.
Okay. Do you have evidence of this when you were together?
I don't have evidence. I just have pictures and pictures of business cards and him working, videos of him working. But I wouldn't have access to that because he's still in Texas.
Okay. Do you know if he has any other biological children?
Yes, he has 4 other children.
Okay. How are the 3 children before the court currently covered by medical and dental care?
North Carolina Medicaid.
Okay. Are you requesting retroactive support?
I am.
Are you in agreement that he's provided approximately $4,000 over the last 4 years? So the state will be asking for $8,336
Correct.
of retro?
Correct.
Okay. In terms of visitation, what type of future visitation agreement are you seeking?
Supervised only in North Carolina.
Whoa. What is this? I have a question. What kind of pleading is this, Mr. Hostetler? Something
This is
changed?
a uniform interstate family support petition.
Did you plead for visitation?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Honor,
I'm speaking to Mr. Hostetler.
Oh, okay.
And if he pled for the issue he's asking questions about?
Your Honor, I will take a brief recess to speak to the CSO to confirm.
Okay.
Your Honor, I just spoke to the child support order officer, and she informed me that we are not asking for a possession and access order today.
Okay. Mr. Lambert, are you still with us?
Yes, I'm still here.
Okay. Did everyone hear that? Okay, you may continue, Mr. Hostetler.
Okay, so if the court finds that Mr. Lambert is unemployed and is asking for minimum wage,
Do you have
you
more
understand-
testimony from either Ms. Huey or Mr. Lambert?
no, I'm just getting.
I get a chance to say something.
You
Yes.
will, sir. That's why I'm
Yeah.
a little
Ms.
confused.
Huey, do you understand that if the court, we find that Mr. Lambert is employed or is currently unemployed, the state will be asking for $257 a month with $50 towards cash medical support?
Yes, unfortunately, I'm just tired of fighting. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything else that you believe the court needs to know that I have not asked you concerning child support and medical support?
I don't mean to waste the court's time, but how would you verify through tax statements or bank statements? Because I don't have any other proof other than videos and photos of business cards.
Ma'am, I can't give legal advice on how to prove this up. I'm here to listen to evidence presented by either you, Mr. Lambert, or the AG's office.
Okay.
Ruling based on the evidence presented to me.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
No further questions. I'd like to call my next witness.
You may do so.
I call Mr. Lambert. Mr. Lambert, what county do you live in?
Liberty County.
When do you acknowledge that you are the father of the children?
When did you move to Montgomery? Do we have jurisdiction?
Yeah.
Well, I live in Liberty now.
When did you move to Liberty?
About a year ago.
Were you served in Spring, Texas?
I was served in Liberty County. Sheriff served me in Liberty County Sheriff.
Yeah, New Caney, Liberty.
Have you lived in Montgomery County?
Yeah, I think so. For like
When
a
did
month.
you leave permanently from Montgomery County?
Last September. September 2024.
Your Honor, I'm looking for the service of Mr. Lambert.
I got served in Liberty County.
Okay. And what date was that you were served?
Can't tell you. It's a shocking date. I don't know.
So the citation was for Splendora, Texas, which was in Montgomery County,
I didn't live there.
but you were served in Liberty County,
Yes.
in Splendora, Texas, or where? So you were not served in Splendora, Texas. You were
Yes.
served
Give me 1
in
second.
New Caney.
Give me 1 second.
Okay. So, Your Honor, I see that he was served at a different address, wherever the address he may be found, which in this case was in New Caney, Texas, in Liberty County. So I am not sure we have jurisdiction
Don't believe
in Montgomery.
Montgomery County does.
Back. Sorry about that.
Were you looking something up, sir?
No, my kid's school called me.
No. Is Mr. Lambert able to consent to jurisdiction, or must we transfer to Liberty?
I don't believe so. I believe you're gonna have to start over in Liberty County.
Okay. I believe you're correct. We'll recess the parties and work on a transfer.
Transfer, and then I can go do the DNA test.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just
So we
remind me,
will.
This was filed December 13th, 2024. I think you're gonna have to just refile. It's been pending like a year.
Mm-hmm.
And so if you send it over to them, you're sending them a case that's already a year old.
Yes, Your Honor. Okay.
Thank you.
So we'll be dismissed.
Yeah, I'm dismissing
Thank
the
you.
case for lack of jurisdiction.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Bob.
Hessel, are they free to go?
Ms. Huey and Lambert, I'm going to move you to another breakout room so I can describe what next steps we're going to take.